Good morning. Today let's discuss the lesson My Silly Sister by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so My Silly Sister written by Rabindranath Tagore. So let's read the lesson. Mother, your baby is silly. She is so very childish. She does not know the difference between the lights in the streets and the bright stars. When we play with pebbles, she thinks they are real food. She even tried to put them into her mouth. When I open a book before her and ask her to learn her ABC, she tears the pages with her hands and roars with joy at nothing. This is your baby's way of doing her lessons. So, one day Tagore said that to his mother that, Mother, your baby is silly. So, he said that, Mother, your baby, that means his sister is so silly. For what? She's so very childish. So she behaved like very childish in the attitudes. Okay, childish behavior. And she does not know that difference between, and he also said that she does not know the difference between the lights in the streets and the bright stars. So the girl she did not know the difference between the bright light and the stars. So she looks that to say light. Okay, so bright light and the stars also light. So she didn't know the difference between the bright light in the street and the stars in the sky. When we play with pebbles, so he and his sister play with pebbles. Pebbles means stones, and play with pebbles. What she do? She thinks that they are real food. So the girl thought that it's a food, and what she do? She even tries to put them her mouth. So she put the pebbles into her mouth. She did not know the she did not know the pebbles. She think that it's a real food. When I open a book, so the boy said that when he opened a book before her, so when he opened a book before her, so the boy and this girl sat and to look a book. Okay, so they are looking for the book. So the boy and his sister sat before a book and he tries to study the letters for her, or study to learn the letters with his sister ABC. At that time, what he do? What she do? She tears the pages. Okay, she tears the whole pages and throw away and make very happy, and she make very joyful sounds that time. Okay, the girl tears all the pages and she throw that, and she that time she feels very happy. Okay, so these are the things the boy discussed with his mother. Okay, and page number 82. And he also said that when I shake my head at her in anger and scold her or call her naughty, she laughs and thinks it great fun. Okay, so he also discussed that even he shake her hands or in anger. Okay, so he makes shake her hands with an anger or scold her. Okay, or beat her, or he called naughty girl, okay, silly girl. At that time she did not know even the boy scold her or not. She think that it's a fun thing or it's a great fun makes with him. Okay, she thought that. She didn't know because she's a small girl. Okay, and everybody knows that father is away. But sometimes I call out father playfully. She looks quickly about her in excitement and thinks that father is near. So everybody know that father is away. So everyone in that know that his father is away. But she did not know that. Okay, because she's a small girl. But the boy in game play with her, he makes call dad of that way. Okay, and playfully he calls that father. At that time, the girl looks around with excitement. But she did not know father is away or not. Okay, she thinks it's a real, and the boy calls father, it's a real one. Okay, and sometime I hold a class with the donkeys that our washerman brings to carry away the dirty clothes. I warn her that I am the schoolmaster and that she better not make any noise. Only then she keeps quiet. I insist that she should call me Dada. Your baby wants to catch the moon. She is really funny. Mother, your baby is silly. She is so very childish. So sometimes I hold a class with the donkeys that our washerman brings to carry away the dirty clothes. So the washerman comes with the donkey with the clothes, dirty clothes. At that time the boy make a class with them. I warn her that I am the schoolmaster and that she better not make any noise. At that time what she do? She called Dada. Okay. And she did not know he's a schoolmaster or he take a class with the washerman's. She did not know that, but she makes some noise. The boy warns her, didn't make any noise with them, but she did not know and she called that Dada. And the boy also said that your baby wants, mother, your baby also wants the moon, to catch the moons. She is really funny. I feel she is very funny. Mother, your baby is very silly. She is so very childish. Okay, actually she is childish, but the boy always said that she is very silly or she is very childish, and he looks her with a silly girl. Actually, she is silly, but he did not know that such things make the small girls, small babies do such things. He did not know that. Okay, so this is the story about the my silly sister. Thank you.